In this lesson, we'll show you how to view the properties of different items, as well as add fields to those different items. Now, before you can view the properties of any particular item, you first have to open up the Properties window, which you can see on the right-hand side of our screen. To do that, go to the Home tab, and then from the Display panel, click the Properties icon. You can use this icon to toggle the Properties window on and off. When you have the Properties window open, all you have to do to view the properties of an item is select an item. Once the item is selected, it will appear in the Properties window, along with all the various properties that are attached to that item. You can click through all the tabs and arrows in the Properties window to see everything to do with the selected element. There are too many properties to go over individually, but a few of the most important ones are going to be the object name, the source file the object came from. In this case, it was a .rvt file, meaning it was originally a Revit file. As you click through the different tabs, you can see the materials that they were made out of, the color that the item is. Element ID is worth mentioning, because that's the ID number of the particular element in its native program. So you can use this ID number to search for that element in Revit. As you can see, there are huge quantities of data that you can access in Navisworks, but sometimes you might need more. We'll show you now how to add fields to the Properties window. The process for adding these new fields is fairly simple. Right-click inside the Properties window and click the Add New User Data tab icon that appears. After you click that button, a new tab called User Data will be added to the Properties window. Usually it will be added at the end, so you may need to use the navigation arrows to go to the end of the tabs to find the User Data tab. Once you're in the User Data tab, right-click again anywhere in the Properties window and go to Insert New Property. You'll be given a number of different data types that you can use as properties. For this example, we'll go with string and call our property phase. We'll also go ahead and add another property, which we'll call date assembled. Now if we right-click on one of the properties and select Edit Property Value, we can change the value of that property. You can customize the properties and their values to whatever you need for your project.